This MaxAir training video covers the MaxAir double shroud outfits. All double shrouds assemble, don, doff, and disassemble similar as shown in this video. There are two sizes of shrouds. The ML is for most head sizes. The SM is for very small head sizes. They are packaged 20 per box. Shrouds are used with separate filters, either a choice of filter cap, which fit over the helmet cage, or a choice of filter cartridge, which are snapped to the helmet after removing the cage. Shrouds attach directly to the filter cover cap FCC, which is assembled to the helmet. For details, refer to the user instructions for the choice of filter and filter cartridge FCC, helmet, and shrouds at maxair-systems.com. Key components of the shrouds include the lens front alignment hole, the lens right and left side mounting holes, the right and left side flappers on the integrated lens cuff, the rear pull tab, rear and rear right and left side snaps. Key components of the standard helmet assembly include the headband ratchet knob. Key components of the filter cover cap include the front mounting post turn clip, the right and left side mounting posts. Key components of the helmet liner include the liner side tabs. First, assemble a fully charged MaxAir battery onto a double layer of belt. Place the top edge of the belt under the battery clip, up to the clip top, so the clip detent rests on the clip base and not the belt. Place the belt comfortably around the waist and position the battery near the side back of the right hip. Assemble a shroud to the filter cover cap FCC. Typically start with an ML size, unless the head size is very small. If it is found that the integrated cuff does not provide slight tension around the face sides and chin, you will need to switch to the SM size. This is shown later in the video. With the FCC front mount turn, clip positioned horizontally, and ensuring that the lens is towards the front of the helmet, and the cuff is towards the rear. Press the center lens mounting hole over and onto the front mount turn clip. Secure the lens by positioning the turn clip vertically, with thumbs pressing the lens top against the FCC front white foam strip. Press and slide your thumbs outward against the foam strip, towards each side mount. Slide your grasp to the lens flappers, then press each lens side mounting hole directly over and down onto each side mounting post. A slight audible click indicates that each side mounting hole is securely attached to the FCC mounting posts. Pull the front shroud top fabric up over the front turn clip, and tuck it in under and slash or close to the FCC bottom edge, all around the FCC. Hold the helmet securely, then grasp the shroud's rear pull tab and pull the shroud up and over the helmet. Continue pulling the shroud over and down the back of the helmet. Securely snap the rear right and left side shroud snaps to their respective snaps on the FCC. Use the pull tab to position the shroud rear snap over the FCC rear snap. Securely snap the rear shroud snap to the FCC. Loosen the ratchet adjustment knob counterclockwise to ensure the helmet will easily fit over the head. Position the power cord over the right shoulder and down the back to the battery. Connect the power cord to the battery to initiate airflow. Push the power cord connector into the battery receptacle until the secure connection audibly clicks. Hold the helmet in one hand, pull the front top edge of the cuff down, and place your chin into the pocket between the cuff and lens. Then pull the helmet over and down onto your head. Slide your fingers between cuff and face, from temples down and under the chin, to properly position the cuff. Ensure that the front helmet headband is within about 1/2 inch of the eyebrows, so that the safety LED lights are clearly visible in the upper peripheral vision at all times during use. Tighten the ratchet knob clockwise, as tight as comfortable, to secure the helmet on the head for all anticipated activities. Pull the shrouds down all around. Prior to donning a body gown, lift the top portion of the shroud up over your head. Ensure that the bottom layer of the shroud goes underneath the body gown. Don appropriate body gown or covering over the inner shroud per their manufacturer's protocol. Lift the outer shroud up, pull the inner shroud neckties around to the front and tie securely. leaving about a 1/2 inch gap between neck and shroud. Ensure the outer shroud is fully down on all sides. To begin doffing, untie the necktie. Then, lift the back bottom, inside or outside, up to the helmet top. Unsnap the rear shroud snap from the FCC. Unsnap each rear side snap. Position the FCC front mount turn clip horizontally. Continue pulling the shroud forward. Grasp the lens sides near the flappers and pull each side lens mount off the FCC side mounts, keeping the shroud away from the body and off the helmet. Discard the shroud per your institutional protocol for contaminated waste. Loosen the rear headband adjustment knob counterclockwise. And lift the helmet up, forward, and off the head. Disconnect the battery from the helmet. Push the secure connection button down and pull the cord connector fully out and away from the battery. Release the button. Unbuckle the belt and remove the battery and belt from around the waist. Properly clean, ready, and store the helmet for its next use. This completes the MaxAir Double Shroud Outfits training video.